What's up everybody, this is Nick with Blogging with Funnels, and in today's video I am going to go over the newest viral affiliate marketing funnel that is called the Secret Affiliate Machine, aka the SAM funnel. This funnel literally broke ClickFunnels in a way. I'll tell you the story real quick. So the SAM funnel was originally created by a guy named Jordan, and he launched it a few weeks ago, and then it started to take off. People started, spamming other groups with it. People started writing articles, shooting videos, just like this one. And they started pumping a bunch of money into solo ads. Now, solo ads, if you don't know what those are, essentially people, work hard to grow their email lists, and then other people decide they want to use that list to promote an offer. And so they pay anywhere from like 35 cents a click to $1 a click. A click is essentially somebody opens the email, clicks the link to the landing page for the offer. I'll show you all the landing page and all that stuff later. So people started pumping in hundreds of dollars into this funnel using solo ads. I'll actually tell you a little bit about solo ads also, and to a few things to be aware of and to be cautious of, because it's already happening inside of the ClickFunnels groups that are people using this SAM funnel. Not to say that it's not a great funnel, it's awesome. Anyway, so a week ago, the head people at ClickFunnels, specifically affiliate guys, Dave Woodward, Miles, they started realizing that hundreds of trials a day were coming in, and they were coming in from this specific page that ClickFunnels doesn't even really promote. And they kind of figured out that it was coming from the Secret Affiliate Machine funnel, the SAM funnel. So they reached out to Jordan, and then he's mentioned some stuff in the group. Anyway, it's a pretty cool funnel. It didn't really break ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a huge company, but it kind of got their attention because there's so many trials were coming in. So what this SAM funnel is, it's a sales funnel to help you make a full-time income using affiliate marketing, specifically promoting ClickFunnels. But the trick is, when you start promoting this, you need to also think about promoting other offers, because while ClickFunnels is probably the greatest affiliate program in the world, and I'll show you inside of my ClickFunnels affiliate account, and I'll also provide some tips on how to use the SAM funnel and how to become a better ClickFunnels affiliate. So you need to grow your email list, promote other offers, and not just focus on the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Because if you do, and if you're just starting out, you're going to be disappointed, because when you're using these solo ads, a lot of times you're getting a lot of low quality people, like just a bunch of dabblers, as I call them. So they'll start their ClickFunnels account with their email address, maybe it's real or not, and they'll put in a temporary credit card, or a credit card that doesn't have any money in it, or that doesn't even work. And on ClickFunnels end, they think it works because they don't charge you anything when you start your trial. But then after the 14-day trial, they'll try to charge your affiliate, what you think is a new affiliate under you. And here we go. You don't have orange bars. And orange bars are, this is what I'll show you real quick. I'm going to minimize myself. I'm sure you're tired of seeing me. So an orange bar is a successful transaction. I know this is brutal, right? -1. I know. I was like, yes, best ClickFunnels day ever, and then refund. That's just the nature of the beast. It's going to happen. It's going to happen with any program. It's going to happen in any business. I mean, I have my own business where I sell digital programs. People refund. It's just the nature of the beast, but you still have to put yourself out there. Anyway, solo ads, you need to be careful, because you can end up pumping a bunch of money into it. Now, I've spent $200 promoting this SAM funnel with solo ads, but I've grown my email list by 200 people, and I did get some trials. And so people are promoting this SAM funnel right now to get ClickFunnels trials, because they have an awesome affiliate program. So I'm going to tell you right now about it, and then I'm going to show you the SAM funnel. This is a thing I wrote, and then I'll show you the actual funnel. All right. So right now my monthly recurring revenue here is almost $4,000. So that's every month I'm making just about that, give or take a little bit. Sometimes you'll have like a giant transaction here. This is the biggest refund I've ever gotten. So I've had like 3 or 4 of these 1,000-something transactions. Every product ClickFunnels sells, you get 40%. And so lifetime, I've been promoting for about 2 years, 34,000. But lifetime is awesome, but my focus is always on the MRR, because I like like when you are online entrepreneur, especially, you don't have like membership sites or you don't do consulting or coaching, it's really hard to like get that income stability. And so with recurring affiliate programs, it's almost like every month I can count on making, right now $3,500 to $4,000. And so that's awesome. It's very empowering to know that that's coming in every month. And so right now, 12 people are currently trialing, and this is my potential trial MRR. So if everybody that's trialing ends up completing a transaction, meaning I get an orange bar here, then my MRR will go up by this amount. And that's not going to be, it's not going to be, the numbers aren't going to be perfect because you're going to have a churn rate. People are going to be dropping off. You might make a big sale, and so it could be more. It's usually going to be less. And so it's very important to see everybody that signs up for, I shouldn't be showing email address, sorry. Everybody that signs up for under your ClickFunnels account, you have their email address and you can start promoting products. You can start, actually not promoting products, you can start helping them along their ClickFunnels journey. And that's one big thing that Jordan and a lot of the SAM people are promoting, which is awesome. It's helping people become a successful ClickFunnels affiliate and helping them promote other offers. And so, for example, like if somebody signs up for my SAM funnel, which is here, I have an email sequence that I give people who sign up under me and start a ClickFunnels trial, and that takes them through a sequence of helping them start your ClickFunnels account, giving some tips on how to make commissions. And actually, I just started promoting the SAM funnel very recently, and I've gotten to this point strictly through search engine optimization. So just SEO from my blog and videos like this. And so I have a lot of good insight and mentoring to offer somebody who signs up under me. Just somebody the other day signed up under me, and I've been guiding them through how to change their links inside the SAM funnel. And now let's go and take a look at the funnel inside. So whenever you do import the funnel into your account, it's going to look like this. And so just also check out how many funnels I have inside here. And so all these you can share with people, just like I'm going to share the SAM funnel with you. Where'd it go? I saw it. There it is. 14 days ago. So 13 days ago is how long I've been promoting the SAM funnel. All right. So once you have this is going to be yours to edit. You can edit links. I'll open it in the editor so you see exactly what's going on. Check out my shirt. Yeah. All right. So you can change the video. I don't recommend doing that. You can add more fields. So if you want to put a phone number in here, you put an input form. Boom. Where are you? There you go. All right. So you can put any of these things right here. So usually you just either put a name or a phone number. The original SAM funnel has a phone number. I didn't want that in there because I wasn't going to call anybody at this time. I do when somebody signs up for my for a big ticket item, or just as one of my ClickFunnels affiliates, we'll hop on the phone with somebody if they need guidance. I shot a screenshot video for somebody just yesterday showing them how to do something inside the affiliate account. And so you can edit anything in here. I wouldn't really recommend editing too much because it's converting pretty well, 40%. So like if I buy a solo ad and I send traffic here, I'm going to convert 40 out of 100 people. And then from there, you have another percentage of people that are becoming trials. But the key is you need to stay on these people. You need to email them. You need to help them. Sometimes people need a lot of hand-holding sometimes. I mean, this is very overwhelming to start with. But once you get the hang of it, like this affiliate program is just a gift that keeps on giving. I mean, it's awesome. By the end of the year, I'll probably be close to $6,000 a month and a dream car winner. And so what do I mean by dream car winner? So why is this SAM funnel going so crazy? All right, so this is ClickFunnels affiliate program. So this will give you just this is like one of the first dream car winners. So for every 100 people that sign up under you, you not only get the MRR, I'm trying to find where it has that. I'll go inside here. So not only will you get whatever here. This is what I was looking for. All right, so right now I have 64 out of 200. It says 200, but you can get unlimited. One guy has 2,000, the top ClickFunnels affiliate who's made $2 million with this program. So possibilities are endless, like I said. Get 100 active members, and they'll send you an extra $500 a month. Get 200, and they'll send you an extra $1,000 a month. So on top of my current for almost 4,000, once I hit 100, they'll send me an extra $500 every month. Once I hit 200, an extra 1,000. And so once I hit 100, I'm going to be probably like 5,000-ish MRR plus 500. So anywhere from $5,500 to $6,000 every month, like clockwork coming in. And growing, because when this is a business, so you're going to be blogging about it, you're going to be shooting videos, you're going to be helping people, and so every day, maybe I get a trial, or every other day I get a trial, and you're constantly trying to grow this to where $10,000 a month, or my goal with this is to try to get to $25,000 a month, and growing, of course, in the next 5 years. So and that's why the SAM funnel is so powerful, because it really does provide you with great guidance step by step, and because an affiliate has a lot of incentive, they will help you along the way. So I recommend getting the SAM funnel. I have a link below, of course, to this page right here. And so you can enter in your email address, and you can kind of see my email sequences, and then you'll be taken through the SAM funnel. If you sign up under me, under my ClickFunnels account, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be giving you also. So these are my bonuses that I offer anybody, not just SAM funnel people who sign up under me. Unlimited chat, email support, Facebook chat, email, whatever. Share funnel library. I have like 100 funnels inside of my account. Real estate, restaurant, agency. I also have some of the top funnels from 2 Comma Club award winners. These are people who've made over $1 million. I have a huge list of affiliate programs that are very similar to ClickFunnels that you can promote to generate monthly recurring revenue. I have a cool Sales Funnels Mastery course that another top ClickFunnels affiliate allowed other people to share. Bonus Vault with tons of different bonuses, anywhere help with getting traffic, with email marketing, with search engine optimization, a big ads swipe library with ads from some of the top 2 Comma Club award winners. And of course, see, when I wrote this, I only had 55, and now I'm up to 64, and that was like a couple weeks ago. So, the chat and email support is really the best benefit from this. Not only do I make that $4,000 every month from ClickFunnels, but I run a 6-figure blogging business selling info products in the health and weight loss space. And so I've been full-time online for 4 years. I know a thing or two. I know how to help you avoid a lot of mistakes. So download that SAM funnel, comment below with any questions, sign up for ClickFunnels. I highly recommend it. You need to get started right now. When's the best time to plant a tree? If you didn't plant it today, that's tomorrow, or however that saying goes. All right, so talk to you soon. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be shooting a couple more videos today that I will be uploading and helping you with ClickFunnels and all things online marketing. See you later.